Konnichiwa minasan. Here are some Hiragana vowel study tips. Here are the Hiragana vowels. Let's take them one at a time. First we have A, E, I, O, U. Let's take a look at the letter A. But how will we remember this is the letter A? We look for the clue. Can you find any letter A's inside of this letter A? I think you will find a few, but here's one to help you out. That's how we remember that this is the letter A. This is the letter E. Let's look for a clue. If you've seen some French letters, sometimes the letter E has these accents on them. That's how we're going to remember that this is the letter E. Let's keep going. This is the letter I, but in Japanese, this sound makes an E sound when we're speaking. It looks a little difficult. Let's get some help. Can we find an E sound on our friend? That's right. It's in his ear. That's our trick for remembering the letter I that sounds like E. Here's an O. Look for the clue. Can you find any O's? I'm sure you can. Here's a big one. That's how we remember that this is the letter O. I know what you're thinking. These two, to the untrained eye, might look similar. All you have to do is look more closely at the details to tell that one is an A and the other one is an O. All right, one more to go. The easiest is last. I know you can find it. This is the letter U. There, we've done all our vowels.